Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us for MRCC's Medicaid Minute. My name is Dina. I'm joined today by Iva Shepherd from the Missouri Primary Care Association. Thanks so much for being here, Iva.
Well, thank you, Dina, for having me.
I've asked Iva to join us today because she is an expert on all things Medicaid. And today we're going to talk about a few quick things you can do to be as ready as possible for a successful Medicaid application. So let's jump right in. Iva, what should people have ready when they're about to start their application process?
Well, there are several things that you can have ready, but one thing that I did want to share is that per the Family Support Division, these items are not required to be submitted at the time of application. But to help the Family Support Division with the processing of your application, I would encourage you to provide this information. The first thing is income. Just provide your last 30 days of current income on everyone that is working in the household that is needing coverage. The second thing is to provide a photo ID and also making sure that there's a current address on that ID. Third, Social Security numbers. Just making sure that you provide that information also. And if you have any medical bills in the previous 3 months, you may qualify for the Family Support Division to pay those medical bills, and that is called prior quarter coverage. If you do have the previous 3 months of medical bills, you would need to provide 3 months of income and also copies of your bank statements. And you would send all of that information into the Family Support Division.
That's helpful. And I think, yeah, that's a really important note that it may not be required by the application, but it can save you the follow-up and the headache later on if you just get it all ready at once.
Absolutely.
When people are getting ready to start, how long should they be budgeting their time for an application process?
I would say approximately about an hour.
Yeah, I think, sometimes you can do them in different ways. It may take a little more, a little less, but yeah, this is not a 5-minute.
No, it's not. It is not at all.
And lastly, if folks want some help with their application, where can they go for resources and help doing that process?
Well, the best place to go to, if you have access to the internet, would be www.showmecoverage.org. That is a site that have trained staff, that assisters that are available and just waiting to help you with your Medicaid application. It is a very user-friendly. You go to the site, you can click on the county and then put in your zip code, and it will bring up the closest federally qualified health center in your area. If you don't have access to the internet, you can call the 1-800 number, which is 1-800-891-7350.
Fantastic. And it's wonderful that there's so much help out there for folks. We encourage you to use it. And we also encourage you to help share this information with people you may know who are trying to apply. But thank you so much for joining us, for all of your helpful tips and tricks. And we will catch everyone on the next MRCC Medicaid Minute.
Thank you, Dina.